friends, today we will solve Geeks for Geeks problem difficulty level school. So today's problem is front back transformation copy. So now open this question. Given a string consisting only of English alphabet, replace all the alphabet with alphabet occurring at the same position when they counted in reverse order of alphabets. For example, A would be replaced by Z, B would be replaced by Y, C would be replaced by X, and so on. Any capital letter would be replaced by capital letter only. So now see first example. So H is replaced by S, E is replaced by V, double L is replaced by double O, and O is replaced by L. So now we write the now see second example. So the second example is G is replaced by T, F is replaced by U, G is replaced by T. So now we write the code for this problem. So here we will solve this question using string builder. So first we will make string builder. String builder SB equals to new string builder. String builder. Now we will store the length of given string in n variable. So as dot length now we use for loop for traversing on the given string and getting characters from that string. So for int I equals to 0, I less than n I plus plus. Now we get the character ch equals to s dot char at I. Now we check if character dot is uppercase. Is uppercase, then we will get the index. Int index equals to z minus ch plus a, and add in SB, add in string builder SB dot append. Before adding in string builder, we will should to convert in this index in char. So first we will add index we need to convert typecast in character. So else we will write the condition for lowercase. So index equals to small lowercase z, then minus ch plus a, then we again in string builder as dot append index. We will also should here to typecast in char. at the end we will return this string builder. Before returning string builder, we will should to convert in string. So here we convert string builder to string. Now compile and run. So the code is successfully compiled and run. Now check all test cases. So submit this code. So all the test cases are successfully passed. So thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe the channel and press bell icon. Thank you.